treatment plant design build project. Mr. Stout.
Yes, sir. The North Lowndes water system was issued a consent order from Georgia EPD several months ago due to our disinfection byproduct violations. After discussions with our engineering firm and negotiations with EPD, a decision was made to upgrade the Spring Creek water treatment site. Staff advertised an RFP to add a new deep well, upgrade the existing well, install nano filtration water treatment skids, including a chemical feed building and an operations building, and add an emergency backup generator and add a lift station. 3 firms submitted questions, but only one proposal was received from Reynolds Construction, LLC. We believe the size and specialization of the project limited the number of proposals we received. Reynolds Construction submitted a preliminary phase price of $214,412. Reynolds has now presented the attached agreement between Lowndes County and Reynolds Construction of Georgia, LLC. Staff recommends approval and authorize the chairman to sign the attached agreement with Reynolds Construction of Georgia, LLC for $214,412.
Commissioner, any questions for Mr. Stout?
Have they done work for us before?
They have not done work for Lowndes County since I've been here, but they have done some work in this field on building water plants. I think they had some work done with the city one time, and we did check references and whatnot, and everything has checked out with them. We was well pleased with everything and the initial discussions we've had with them.
Good. This is really just like phase 1 of expensive as this builds out over how long a time period?
We will hopefully have this built out over a 2-year period.
Any other questions?